What's going on, guys? 2 Aussie. So it's a hot bloody day, and I see some construction workers, and because I sold my 600 I thought I'd do, I guess, a good deed. So go and get some Powerade for them, some cold Powerade, and hand them out. Got nothing else to do, so park here. They're not that far away either. Alright, so instead of Powerade I got Maximus, or whatever it's called. It's an energy drink. It's pretty much Powerade though. It was a little bit cheaper, I bought like 50 cents, and it's a 1 litre instead of like, I think Powerade's a 400 or something, I don't know. But yeah, got 4 of them, 1 for each. Hopefully there's still 4 people and not anymore, otherwise I will feel bad. And hopefully they are still thirsty. So they're about a 5-minute ride away from here. At least these drinks are cold. If they have drinks, then they're probably warm. And shit, man, I'd hate to be working outside on a hot day like this. I think it's like 36 degrees. So, a bit cloudy. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Well, hopefully it does rain, but once these guys finish work so they're not satched. Lane feels all the way. Get to the front. Or will I fit there? Yep. There's no fucking train. Oh yes there is. Oh, could have went by there. Oh, that's some dangerous shit, bro. About 2 minutes away. I rode past these guys before when I went to hand in my disposal notice for my CBR 600. Yeah, man, they look sweaty as hell. I know it's the pole. If I turn this roundabout fast, there is a 100% chance they would pull me over. Yeah, construction. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh man, I hope there's bloody 4 people. Let's count. 1. Oh, I don't think I've seen her. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See what the temperature is. 33 degrees. Oh, 31 now. That's Celsius for you Americans. You guys thirsty?
I'm not too bad.
Nice and cold for you?
Guys, they might. You're a legend.
There you go.
Oh, no.
They're only $2, so yeah. I seen how hot it was, and
oh, it's actually got cooler.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Went to the shops, Yeah. That's alright.
Lifesaver.
That's alright, mate.
No, thank you very much.
No worries.
Cheers, thanks a lot.
There you go.
Cheers.
It's just my YouTube channel.
Oh,
Okay.
no worries.
There you go. Enjoy your day. See ya. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Oh, time to head back home. Probably have a little snooze. Well, nah, I'll probably edit this video first, then I'll have a little snooze. And then, yeah. Wake up, have some dinner, then go back to bed, then go to work.